Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we are going to start a new topic that is from Unit 4, topic number 6, word house. Now what is this word house? We will read. Read and write down the related words in a blanks. Now they have given you a blanks here everywhere, okay, and they have given you 4 groups. So what is the first one is home, numbers, body parts and clothes, right? And here they have given you the words, so we have to write the words in a particular belonging group. So here we start. What is the first one is here foot. Now foot is your body part, आपके body part है, so we have to write in a body part column. Then the second is kitchen. Now kitchen is it at your home, so we have to write in a home column. Then knees, again knees is your body part, so we have to write in a body part column. Then bag. Now bag is at home, so we have to write in a home house. The next one is 1. Now 1 is a number, so where is the number house here? Here it is here, so we have to write in a numbers column. So moving to the next line, mother. Now mother is at home, so we have to write in a home column. Father. So father is at home, so we have to write in a home column. Then shirt. Now shirt is your cloth, कपड़ा है, right? Clothes को बोलेंगे ना. Then we have to write in a cloth house. Sari. Now again sari is a cloth, we have to write in a cloth house. Wrist. Now what is this wrist? जहाँ पर हम वॉच पहनते हैं ना, you wear watch on the hand, तो वो चीज़ को हम wrist बोलते हैं. So that will be in a body parts. Moving to the next line, the coat. Now coat is again your will be in a clothes column. Then spoon. Now spoon and all everything we get in a house, so it will be in a home column. Then 3. Now 3 is a number, so we will write in a number house. Then the next one is eyes. Now eyes is your body parts, okay, so it will be in a body parts house. Elbow. Elbow again is a body part, so it will be in a body parts column. Moving to the next one. What is the next one is here cupboard. Now cupboard is at home, right? तो it will be in a home. Now you will ask say cupboard हम बाहर भी रह सकता है, office में and everywhere. So here the only groups are given here: home, numbers, body parts and clothes. Clothes तो already they have mentioned the groups, तो वो home की column में ही cupboards आएंगे, तो we have to write in that column. What is the next one is here is 5. Now 5 is a number, so it will be in a numbers column. Then scarf. Then scarf is a cloth, so it will be in a clothes column. Then shoulder. Again shoulder. Shoulder is your body part, so it will be in a body parts. Then dress. Now dress will be in your clothes column. Very good. So moving to the next line. What is the next one is TV here. So TV is here at home, okay, at home everywhere, but the column is given here home. TV is not your body part, it is not your clothes, it is not your number, only home is given here, so we have to write in a home house. 4. Now 4 is a number, so we have to write in a numbers house. Then first. Again first is in number, so we have to write in a numbers house. Then socks. Then socks is your clothes, so it will be in a clothes column. Then head. Head is your body part, so we have to write in your body parts column. Next is a raincoat. Now raincoat will be here in a clothes section, right? So it will be in a cloth house. Then stomach. Stomach is your body part, so it will be in a body parts. Next is glass. Now glass is a home item, okay, so it will be in a home column. Again hall. Hall is your home item, so it will be in a home column. Again bed. Bed is your home column, so it will be in a home column. So students, they have given you 4 groups: home, numbers, body parts and clothes. So you have to distribute these words in a particular belonging group. So students, till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.